Sean, you have a very large presence at REMATEC this year. What was the reason for why Cummins is so interested in remanufacturing, and what are the key messages you would like to get across at this show?
Thank you. Yes, indeed, we do have a large presence at REMATEC this year. We've been in remanufacturing for close to 50 years now. Within Cummins, we like to say that we were in reman before reman was cool. We believe it's time for us to expand beyond Cummins applied applications only and start to find partners that are interested in doing remanufacturing, because we believe that remanufacturing adds so much value across the entire product life cycle.
What do you mean by that?
What we mean by adding value across the product life cycle, let me give you some examples. There's three real phases to the product life cycle. Early in original equipment life, when there's very limited production, we believe that remanufacturing, or the presence of remanufacturing in the future, adds values to our customers because they will see that there will be reman product available in the future, and that extends the life of the product. Later on, when we're in the midlife of the product, we are in very high production on the original equipment side. At this point, our customers have lots of choices. Do they want to choose a remanufactured product, or do they want to choose a new product? Both of these things would be available to them in the mid-section of a product life. Later in life, at the end of serial or original equipment production, remanufacturing adds value to our customers because they have a service alternative well into the future. So remanufacturing greatly extends product life cycle, greatly extends availability of products for our customers, and overall, over the entire life cycle, reduces the cost to our customers for their assets. The other thing I'd like to say is throughout the product life cycle, that remanufacturing really lowers our carbon footprint and does tremendous things for our environment.
Rich, we just heard your colleague Sean about Cummins in general, and you're going to tell us more about the growth plan for the fuel systems reman business.
Yeah, thanks. Cummins Fuel Systems is unique because we have competencies in not only remanufacturing fuel systems, but also electronic control modules, as well as board level repairs. And historically, the interesting story is we've usually focused on Cummins applied applications. But moving forward, we think we're the ideal reman partner for any organization that's interested in whether fuel systems remanufacturing, electronic control module remanufacturing, or anything related to electronics in general. Moving forward, as future designs are certain to include more electronic content, we're confident that by partnering with us, we can leverage our historical remanufacturing experience for many, many OEMs and help them design and implement their remanufacturing strategies.
Dr. Wieland, it's my understanding that Cummins Reman will be on the front cover of this year's Cummins Corporate Sustainability Report. Why does Cummins feel that Reman is so important to give it such promotion?
That's right. Cummins Reman will be featured in this year's edition of the Corporate Sustainability Report, and that's a good thing for both Cummins as well as remanufacturing overall. We know that as more companies integrate remanufacturing into their strategies for sustainability, that this will improve the awareness, credibility, and relevance of remanufacturing. You know, we know that remanufacturing uses much less energy than new, and it also can be a great way to create so-called green jobs. So the more we can promote reman, the more that our customers, companies, and employees can take advantage of the environmental benefits of remanufacturing.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.